Are you unknowingly damaging your kidneys every time you eat? The truth is, even healthy-looking proteins could be silently stressing your kidneys, draining your energy, harming your filtration system, and accelerating disease. But don't worry, you're about to learn the truth and take back control of your health. In this video, I'll reveal the top 4 kidney-friendly proteins that nourish your body without overloading your system, and the 6 proteins you must avoid if you want to protect your kidneys for years to come. So, stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe if you're serious about kidney health, because what you'll hear today can change your life. Let's start with what to eat. Number 1, egg whites, the gold standard of kidney-safe protein. Each egg white gives you 3.6 grams of clean, muscle-supporting protein with just 10 milligrams of phosphorus. Compare that to whole eggs at 86 milligrams. It's a no-brainer. They're low in sodium, easy to digest, and perfect for a kidney-conscious diet. Enjoy them boiled, steamed, or whipped into oatmeal. Just skip the salt. Number 2, tofu. Yes, tofu. Half a cup packs 10 grams of protein and far less phosphorus than animal meat. It's rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe your kidneys instead of stressing them. Bake, grill, or stir-fry with herbs. Just avoid high-sodium marinades. Number 3, tilapia. This mild, lean fish delivers 22 grams of protein and just 170 milligrams of phosphorus per 100 grams. It also gives you selenium and vitamin B12, essential nutrients for kidney metabolism. Bake it in parchment with lemon and herbs for a flavorful, kidney-safe dinner. Number 4, quinoa, a complete plant-based protein that's easier on your kidneys than beans or lentils. With 8 grams of protein per cooked cup, it provides fiber, amino acids, and fewer minerals that overload your system. Just rinse it well before cooking to remove bitter saponins. Now, what should you avoid? Number 1, turkey bacon. Surprised? Don't be. One slice contains up to 500 milligrams of sodium and dangerous phosphate preservatives that accelerate kidney damage and bone loss. Number 2, red lentils. They may be high in protein, but they're also packed with phosphorus and potassium, over 1,000 milligrams combined in just 1 cup. This overwhelms your kidneys, especially in later stages of disease. Number 3, hot dogs. Ultra-processed, nitrate-loaded, and full of acid-forming fats that inflame and damage kidney tissue. Some of them even have over 200 milligrams of nitrates per serving. Number 4, whey protein powders. Just 1 scoop delivers 200 milligrams of phosphorus and nitrogen waste your kidneys must filter, equivalent to a large steak. For kidney patients, this is dangerous overload. Number 5, canned black beans. Even after draining, they pack nearly 600 milligrams of potassium and tons of salt, a hard hit to your already struggling kidneys. Number 6, beef steak. High in uric acid, saturated fats, and phosphorus, beef demands more from your kidneys than they can give. Even lean cuts trigger inflammation and strain filtration. Need more variety? Here are safe, delicious proteins. Low-sodium cottage cheese with fresh fruit, grilled fatty fish like salmon or sardines, rich in omega-3s, skinless chicken breast with herbs and lemon, Greek yogurt, plain, probiotic-rich, and gut-friendly, and sea bass, light, flaky, and anti-inflammatory. And here's a free daily tip. A 20-minute morning walk can boost kidney filtration and blood flow, helping your body flush out toxins more efficiently. Every step counts, literally. So, let's recap. Eat smart proteins, limit high phosphorus, high potassium, and high sodium foods, and always talk to your doctor before making changes. Did this video help you? Let us know in the comments and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more kidney-saving tips because your health is worth fighting for.